Here's a 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for all who ride inside. It's well equipped with features you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.